This is the brand new Perodua Axia, the replacement for the model that has been on sale for the past 8 years. The car starts at 39,000 ringgit. It goes all the way up to 50,000 ringgit for this Perodua Axia AV, the top spec model. For similar money, you can get a base Myvi, Iriz or Persona. So is the new Axia worth it? Watch on to find out. There's only one engine on offer, a 1-litre vvt-i engine with 67 horsepower and 91 Nm of torque. The new Axia is claimed to do 25.3 km per litre, or up to 27.4 km per litre if equipped with the eco-idle system, which automatically turns off the engine when the car stops at a traffic light. This new Axia is faster and more economical than before. While the engine is carried over from before, there's a new D-CVT replacing the 4-speed automatic from before. Exterior equipment-wise, the headlights are LED on all but the base G model, which gets halogen instead. Electrical retractable side mirrors and LED daytime lights are available on the SE and AV models. The boot is reasonably big at 265 litres while keeping a full-size spare tyre underneath the boot floor. The opening is wide and you can fold the rear seats down for extra cargo room. However, there's no 60:40 split and the load lip is quite deep. Inside, the new Axia has an all-new interior with a similar design to the latest Ativa and Alza. The plastics used are hard of course, but the textures and fit and finish look and feel good. The steering wheel now has tilt adjustment but no telescopic adjustment, so finding your driving position may be difficult. G and X variant makes do with fabric upholstery, standard head unit and analog gauges with a LCD multi-information display. The SE adds on a tachometer, semi-bucket front seats and rear seats with adjustable headrests. Only the AV model gets 2-tone semi-leather seats, a 9-inch infotainment system and a fully digital information cluster. Safety-wise, anti-locking brakes, electronic stability control system along with traction control and hill start assist is standard across the range. However, only the AV gets 6 airbags while the rest make do with just 2 airbags. The latest Axia has already been assessed by RC and NCAP under the 2021 to 2025 protocol and has been awarded 4 stars.